As organizations exchange more data than ever before, secure and scalable file transfers are essential. The following checklist outlines the key features every modern managed file transfer solution should include. 1. End-to-end encryption for protecting data from interception by encrypting it at the source and decrypting only at the destination. 2. Granular access controls to restrict who can send, receive, and view files using roles and permissions. 3. Multi-factor authentication. It adds an extra layers of identity verification beyond passwords. 4. Automation that allows streamlining file transfers, reducing errors, and enforcing compliance through rule-based workflows. 5. Scalability to ensure your solution can handle growing file volumes and business needs. 6. Audit logs for tracking all file transfer activity to support compliance and accountability. 7. Real-time monitoring and alerts that detect failed transfers or suspicious activity immediately. 8. Integration capabilities that allow you to connect easily with existing apps, systems, and infrastructure. 9. File compression for saving bandwidth and speeding up transfers, especially for large files. And finally, 10. Data loss prevention for preventing sensitive data from being sent to unauthorized users. To learn more about secure, reliable, and efficient managed file transfer solutions, please visit kiteworks.com.